I'm Senator Ken Yager, and I'm standing here on the Senate floor. We've adjourned for the week, and as we approach the end of session, the activity's picking up. Bills are starting to pass out through committees and onto the floor. And that's what I want to talk to you about for a moment or two now. Some of the bills that I've sponsored that have now made their way through committee, and in fact this week were passed on the Senate floor. One of those bills was to allow volunteers to provide transportation for senior citizens at no liability to the volunteer. We've had a problem in Tennessee that people who want to volunteer for charitable organizations to help give rides to senior citizens who may need to go to the doctor or for whatever reason, they're not able to do it because they're concerned about the liability they might have in the case of an accident. Well, we've tried to address that in a law that just passed the Senate this week that will allow a volunteer who's volunteering for a charitable nonprofit organization who provides transportation for a senior citizen, as long as they're acting within the scope of their duties and don't commit any outrageous conduct, they would have civil immunity if there were an unfortunate accident. And we've done this in order to encourage volunteers to provide transportation for senior citizens. When you get out into the counties of Tennessee, particularly the rural counties, we're not blessed with public transportation that you find in the larger cities. And therefore, it's important that we rely on a network which includes our volunteers, who may, as I said, take a senior to the doctor, maybe help with the Meals on Wheels, or whatever. Now, they'll be able to do that without fear of liability in the event of an accident. This is Ken Yager from the Tennessee State Senate, and I'll see you next week.